This is your News Minute for Friday, October 20th. Don't miss tournament season for our marching bands and color guard. This Saturday is the Poway Invitational at Poway High, and next Saturday is the Mount Carmel Tournament of Bands. High school bands from all over Southern California, including all 5 PUSD high schools, will be performing. A unique learning collaboration between Tierra Bonita 5th graders and Twin Peaks Middle School science students. The older students taught the younger ones about agriculture and horticulture, including animal care. This was part of the CTE pathway that feeds into Poway High. Connect Academy students invited their families to their umbrella art installation and celebrated at the first family picnic of the year. Students shared what they've learned, showed off their new and improved learning spaces, gave tours of the garden, and sampled yummy produce. Thank you to everyone who donated to the PUSD Foundation's Project Support and Supply. A check for over $17,000 was presented to the Youth in Transition program for emergency food, shelter, gift cards, and toiletries for PUSD students and families experiencing homelessness. Keep the magic going, Poway Unified. That was your News Minute.